Since the old Fayette County Courthouse reopened as Courthouse Square, more people are noticing the elaborate stone carvings on the newly cleaned limestone walls. There are eagles and griffins, gargoyles and scrollwork, and most curiously, the impish faces of jolly men expressing a range of emotions. Over the back door, for example, are 12 men, perhaps representing the gentlemen of the jury. After all, when the courthouse was built in 1899, only men served on juries. Who carved this public art? For many years, the work was misattributed to a teenage apprentice. But it turns out it was the work of Frederick Bullen Miles, an Englishman who spent less than 4 years in Lexington, living in this house on 2nd Street. Miles is better known for his work in other southern cities. He carved elaborate sculptures for the Biltmore mansion in Asheville, North Carolina. Perhaps his masterpiece was the Candler Building in downtown Atlanta. That 1907 skyscraper with Miles' Georgia marble sculptures is now being restored as a luxury hotel. Next time you go to the Courthouse Square, take a few minutes and look up. The smiling faces of Fred Miles' imagination are watching you. This is Herald Leader columnist Tom Evelyn.